Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, going to go over the news with Bitcoin ETFs and options trading being approved, which is incredible by the SEC. Going to go over Ripple and XRP news. That is a freaking given on my channel. Also going to go over Sui. I think this coin is literally going to outperform a lot of my favorites. But anyway, we'll get into that as well. I'm going to go over my 3 commas trading bots. And of course, a couple of bullish videos on X. But anyway, guys, the market has been going incredibly well. And the trading bots on 3 commas on Gate.io also are doing basically incredibly well. It's awesome to see this finally back up and running after the disaster that it was OKX becoming regulated by the Australian financial services regulator. It's nuts. But anyway, guys, stick around and we'll get into all of this stuff. So make sure you watch it to the very end. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see on my channel, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting very interesting in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find ladies and gentlemen do that, all right? So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything, it's down there. Thank you very much, you guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yeah, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto, all right? Thanks to Grayscale. So do your own research and due diligence, all right? It's for educational and entertainment purposes only. Right, I'm going to show you my computer screen now. Let's get into all of the juicy news because there's a lot to go through, all right? Stick around. Right, let's go straight to the community tab. I'm going to go over the top altcoins in my portfolio today. We had Constellation DAG, Ubix Network, AMP, Sui, Bullish, and of course Star Atlas. And again, Star Atlas I like, and there's another one called Illuvium, but Star Atlas, play to earn gains, I'm incredibly bullish on, guys, really am. Now, this is crazy. This is no BS. Look at the price of Bitcoin back in 2009. 2010, it was 6 cents. 2011, $6. Look at this. This is actual prices over the years. I mean, it's done nothing but increase. Look at that. That is wild. Unbelievable. Currently sitting at, and we're going to get to that in a moment, but 63,230. It's been holding quite strong overnight. Unreal. Having a look at CoinMarketCap, we've got a total market sitting at 2.23 trillion, $67 billion in volume. It's up 50.9%. Can't make that stuff up right there. Bitcoin's sitting at 56% dominance. Ethereum's at 14%, which is interesting. And Bitcoin's currently trading at 63,532 at the time of recording, which is the 23rd of September at nearly 6 p.m. here in Australia. And again, this did slightly touch over 64K today. I was watching it because I was setting up some new bots with 3 commas. But anyway, Ethereum sitting at 2,644. And we do have Solana at $145 US, up 10% in 7 days. That's crazy when you think about that. XRP is up 3% in 7 days, 58 cents. Toncoin, I am trading this again, $5.67. I do trade these with the bots. Chainlink sitting at $11 as well. Let's have a look here. Fetch AI, or Artificial Super Intelligence Alliance, 28% in a week. That is ridiculous. Sui, pumping, guys, 7.42% in 24 hours, 40% on the week. We're going to look into the reasons what the hell is going on here, but $1.56, there was plenty of time to accumulate this at like 60 cents USD. No BS, right? Casper's another one I'm looking heavily into, guys. KAS, Aptos as well, 33% on the week. All cryptos are doing incredible. Immutable X, one of my favorites, at 44% on the week. I've been speaking about that one for a long time. Let's have a look at some other gems. Optimism, 14% on the week. I'm still bullish on that. Theta, 2.75. I'm holding that long term, guys. Helium token has also been going incredibly well. 3.7 on the week as well. Algorand sitting at 13 cents as well, $4.85%. Quant, 4.95% at $75. I'm still incredibly bullish on it, guys. Love it. Let's have a look here. Axie, 9% as well, $4.95. I was dollar cost averaging at Axie Infinity at like $60 US. So let that one sink in for a moment, as well as Gala. Very, very nice at 2 cents. And that's pretty much it, guys. And I do have the bot set up trading eCash. I don't hold it in the portfolio, but I am trading it, guys. So it's freaking awesome. Anyway, moving on, let's go to crypto bubbles. And before I do have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. This is my official Patreon page where I put up all my buys, sells, trades, indicators, trading bots, you name it. All goes up in here. I just adjusted all of my trading bots on 3 commas. And I have posted up all those links in the group as well. So go join up to the Wall Street Bull University, guys. The link is below. I have kept this at $5 US a month and $8.50 Australian. It's nothing compared to what I'm making now with these bots. It's seriously. And I also put up the news and my dividend investing, which again is bullish. Now, before we go into crypto bubbles, I'm going to show you 3 commas trading software. Now, you can basically subscribe to whatever you like. I'm using the monthly pro plan on this. As you can see right here, sorry, my phone is going absolutely nuts right now. It's the end of the day. People are messaging after work. $76 a month Australian. You will get a discount on that membership. And of course, if you buy it the whole year, you'll save also 25%, which is awesome. Now, coming over quickly to the dashboard. Again, I'm not going to get into too much detail about this, but 3 commas for me has been working incredibly well. P&L's been 383 USD, which is nice. Now, again, I've got bots set up on the shorts. That's already made me today 7.53. Coming down here, I've got my single pair bots as well, trading Fetch AI. I've got Tau, Pendle, Render. Really, really nice stuff as well. Now, again, if we come over here, this bot here in particular, the multi-bot down here has been making incredible gains. Look at that, right? 342. Now, what I want to show you guys is this. Coming over to the futures, once you've got all that set up, by the way, if you come over here, so many freaking notifications drive me nuts. 63,515. I've currently got 37 positions trading at the moment. Really, really nice. If you come over to position history, this is what I wanted to show you guys. Look at this. Longs and shorts both working here. Look at the profits. Realized return. This is all today. No BS, right? It may not seem like a lot, but 40 cents, 50 cents, $2, $3.93. This one's a nice one, $4.73. This was all today. No BS. Look, I'm just keeping on scrolling, guys. Look at this. Awesome, huh? Right, that one was a loss. You do get losses, guys. This one was a big one. 22nd, that was yesterday. It was $61. I got liquidated out of that. So you do get some losses, but mostly wins. Anyway, you can go join up to the Wall Street Bull University. I'll post up all the links. But, like, this is crazy. Love it. And I just want to also show you some interesting stuff right here, just quickly. For those of you who want to know, if I go to the asset analysis, this is interesting on Gate.io. Here's the percentage returns on the day. So this is September. So, I mean, the beginning of this month, I didn't really go hard at it, but I just started to go hard probably around the 8th of September, 4%, 5%, 7% on the day, 10% on the 12th. A couple losing days. 17th was 7%. 18th was when the rate cut happened, 16.8% return. 7.46%. 20th of this month, 10%. 21st, etc. Today's the 23rd. I'm already up 4% return, which is just insane. The P&L profit and loss for September is 68.76%, right? This is insane. I'm not kidding. There's the actual, you can see it right here. Boom, look at this. There you go. That's in the last 7 days. And literally it's been in the last 7 days. So really happy about that. Here's the profitable days. As you can see, I've been posting these up in the community tab. Anyway, go check it out. Join the Wall Street Bull University because, I mean, beforehand, like when I was last using it, the market was all over the place, but now it's starting to recover and things are getting quite bullish with it. So go check it out. Now, on the hour in crypto bubbles, it's a sea of red, but let's just wait and see because, again, it's Monday here. On the day, though, we've got Tau up 18.7%, WorldCoin 6.5%, Renders 8.3%, Immutable X 12.1%. Is anyone still trading Hex? I don't even know what happened to Richard Hart. He's just disappeared. Sui 6.4%, guys. It's up 39 on the week, 55 on the month, and 242 on the year, which is nuts when you think about that. Very, very nice. Now, again, CKB is one that I was looking at closely, but that's up 494 this year, 59 on the month, 1.9 on the week. So again, I do have bots set up on that. And that's pretty much it for Crypto Bubbles. Moving on to the news, SEC greenlights NASDAQ listing for options and BlackRock Bitcoin ETF, which is huge. This is awesome, but it's amazing how they're changing their whole thought process around crypto. The US SEC has approved a rule change that allows NASDAQ, International Securities Exchange, to list and trade options on the iShares Bitcoin Trust, or IBIT, BlackRock widely traded exchange-traded fund. In its decision, marks another step towards expanding a range of derivative products linked to Bitcoin, providing investors with additional tools for managing exposure to the world's largest crypto, which again, it's interesting right here, but that is bullish for crypto in general. It really is just another step, put it that way. What is going on with Sui? I mean, it has been pumping, but why has it been going parabolic? The decentralized finance, or DeFi, ecosystem is growing. Sui is often seen as Solana rival, has performed well during its growing popularity among users and developers. Third-party data shows that the total value locked in its decentralized finance ecosystem, or DeFi, has jumped to a record high of $860 million, up from $383 million in August. Raoul Pal has been speaking about this for a very long time, right? Some of the most notable Sui dApps that have seen a jump in assets are SuiLend, Scallop, whatever you want to call it, Cetus, which have accumulated assets worth $137 million. And Sui has also attracted stable coins worth $378 million. And of course, that number will likely rise now to its activated USDC, which is interesting, the integration there, which is huge. And again, becoming a big player in gaming, Sui's positioned itself among the major player in blockchain gaming industry, which is often seen as a key use case of blockchain tech. And gaming tools as well, like Z-Login, which helps onboard gamers easily. It's bullish, and it basically has strong technicals as well. And the transaction speeds are also significant. So Sui has jumped due to its strong technicals. The comeback started around August 5th with the formation of a small hammer candlestick, popular reversal sign in the price action analysis. There they go for those TA heads. Australia is now requiring crypto firms to hold a financial services license. Now, these licenses, I don't know if anyone's actually seen them, but they are very expensive, right? A lot of money. Most of the financial startups like, Coinspot or, OKX or even Stake, the investing platform, they will lease a license, right? Or find someone to take it over because it's just a hell of a lot easier. But licensing requirements for crypto exchanges in Australia will be extended beyond those related to digital currency exchanges. So they're basically cracking down on this. I mean, it is what it is, but new regulatory guidance to be released in November. Well done, ASIC. There you go. Anyway, moving on. Let's have a look here. Experts say do not sleep on XRP as millions can be made with XRP parabolic explosion. I agree. And this is nice. And XRP has struggled to experience sustained uptrend because of the lawsuits going on. But again, over the last 24 hours, XRP has dipped by 1%. Not that I'm worried about it, but could be ready for a parabolic move, which I think is easily coming. Meanwhile, BitTold told crypto market participants the anticipated uptrend could make investors who perfectly time the market millions of dollars, warning them not to sleep on it. Don't sleep. Millions can be made timing this move. Well, we'll see what happens again, guys. I'm still bullish on it. Now, let's go to X because there's an interesting video I came across. And thank you to those 6,676 people. You guys absolutely rock. And again, all the official links are below in the video description. Have a listen to Michael Saylor on this one, guys.
I think that you will spend 40,000 hours of your life, maybe 60,000 hours of your life trying to make money. It is worthwhile to spend 100 hours of your life figuring out how to keep it. I think that you will spend...
He's got a freaking point. We spend our whole lives making money, but it's keeping it. That's the hardest part. So research that, right? That's what I teach in the Wall Street Bull University. Anyway, this influencer, I do know his channel. Let me just pause this for a second. Hang on. This is crazy. I really do believe something's going on here. XRP content. They don't want us knowing about XRP. Have a listen to this.
Bunch of content about XRP versus SEC, the Ripple case. And those videos perform extremely well until one day, about 15 of those videos all got flagged by YouTube and taken down by YouTube. I appealed for it. All those videos got put back. Okay, good to go, whatever. A week later, my entire account was banned by YouTube saying I broke policy. Now, I appealed that. I got the account back about 2 weeks later, but ever since then, this channel has been losing subs and losing view counts ever since. Ever since I got that account back, this channel has been shrinking as opposed to all of my competition has been growing. I've been trying to revive it for 2 years, whether it be through trading content or the podcast, and no content is simply working or getting in favor of the algorithm. For example, I would post the same exact reel on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. YouTube is my biggest account by far, and on TikTok and Instagram, those same pieces of content would get millions of views, and on YouTube, my biggest account would get like 2,000.
This is crazy. Whatever happened with this channel, but I mean, seriously, something's going on there. Have a look at Richard Branson playing this, guys.
Well, I think it is working.
It's a bit low.
There will be other currencies like this, maybe even better.
Can't even hear it. But anyway, he's basically saying Bitcoin has a very big future, and I tend to agree with him on that one. And that's about it. It really is. And we're going to play this interview with Brad Garlinghouse, and we'll end up on this, guys. Have a listen to this.
And I think it's inevitable that there'll be, multiple ETFs around different tokens. And I think you'll even see ETFs potentially around baskets that also, I think, further diversify that risk.
Are you in talks with the largest issuers, particularly BlackRock, to get this done?
Well, I'm not going to comment on that. I know BlackRock has said some things publicly. We think it makes sense for the XRP community overall. Ripple obviously is a very important stakeholder in the XRP ecosystem, but we're not the only player. And look, we've seen, before the SEC lawsuit, XRP was the second most valuable digital asset. I think because of the headwinds of that lawsuit, we've now seen that largely abate. But the long-term view on these things is about, how do you create utility and really solve real-world problems with these different digital assets?
So guys, that's it for today. And what do you think about an XRP ETF? I can't wait for that to happen, guys. There will be a lot of money made if you time the market correctly and take profits. But anyway, let me know in the comments what you think about an XRP ETF, trading bots, everything that I've talked about in this channel. And by the way, I went on the weekend, just for those of you who stuck around this long in the video, got myself some citrine crystal. How good is that? That's on my desk. Getting all spiritual now, guys. Got to manifest that money. Anyway, guys, go to it. I'll speak to everybody in the Wall Street Bull University. Go join up. Link is below, all right? Peace out. Have an espresso. Talk to you soon. Bye.